Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install TailsOS 6.13 on VirtualBox. First go to TailsOS, then download. It is tails.net. It is the official website. Enter, click on install Tails, scroll down, click on Burning a Tails DVD. Then click on this download Tails 6.13 ISO image. Click on it. Or if you want to download by using BitTorrent, you have to click on this one. See, download started. See, its size is 1.5 gigabytes. I am cancelling this one. See here because I have already downloaded. In your case, wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then open VirtualBox. If you want to install VirtualBox on your machine, then there is a link in the video description. You can go through it and you can install it. See, these are the virtual machines on my VirtualBox. To create a virtual machine, we have to click on new or machine and select new. Either is fine. So click on either of them. Then provide the name for the virtual machine. Tails OS 613 VM. Name can be anything. This is just virtual machine name. And this is the location to store this virtual machine files and folders. If you want some other location, click on drop down and select location. Okay, I'm okay with this default one. Then we have to select the downloaded ISO image. So click on drop down and select other. Then go to downloads. See here we have the TailsOS 6.13 ISO. Select it and click on open. See, once you selected it, type change it to Linux, subtype to Debian and version as Debian 64-bit. So then select this checkbox, that is skip alternate installation. Then come to hardware. Here we have to select memory. I am selecting 4 gigabytes. It's up to you. Number of CPU cores I am giving 2. Then hard disk I am giving 50 gigabytes. It is up to you. Then click on finish. See, still if you want edit settings of this virtual machine, right click and settings or select it and machine and settings. All three options are same. If you are okay with all the settings, then select it and click on start. Use up and down arrows and select the first one, that is Tails 6.13. Hit enter. See, if cursor is grayed out, we have to use the right control to release the cursor. Now, if you want to configure like language, keyboard layout, formats, you can click on them. Like if you want to change the language, you have to click on here and you have to search. Okay, I'm okay with all these three. Then persistent storage. If you want to create persistent storage, you have to turn on this one like this. Then additional settings. Click on this plus button for additional settings. See, if you want by default administration password is off, so click on it. Now provide the password for administration. Remember this password which is required later. Click on add. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on start Tails. If you want to connect to Tor browser automatically, select the checkbox. Then click on connect to Tor. Click on activities. Then search for terminal. See here we have the terminal. Let me increase the font a bit more. See, now font has been increased. Now verify the version that we have installed. more/etc os-release. See, we have installed TailsOS 6.13 and its ID is like Debian. That's why we have selected Debian. You to quit. Now, the first step after connecting to TailsOS is we have to update the packages. Sudo apt update & sudo apt upgrade. Hit enter. Provide the password of administration that we have set. See, packages are updating. Okay. This may take time, so in this video we have seen how to download and install TailsOS 6.13 on VirtualBox. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.